cute when you're little baby. Okay, if you don't
Do you recognize those dogs? What?
Yes, she does.
What?
She looks under there. They're not under there. They're never under there.
White flour. Then you need a half a cup of non-fat powdered milk.
What? Are you excited? You silly dog.
Greta doesn't see it.
No?
Well, she sees stuff, but she...
After that, whiskey together, you're going to need
See, she's looking at the dog.
Yeah, she is.
She actually sees
I
it.
see them.
She sees you. She sees everything.
She's trying to look around.
Trying to look her.
She's like, let me scout away. I want the black and white one.
Are you starting?
Do you see them?
See,
She's looking for the snow.
Mm-hmm.
She's looking out the window like, okay.
We got
What do them dogs do?
9 inches. Oh,
What are they doing? Look at her tail. What?
You want to play with them?
Did you find an apple, Oakley?
What?